Starting off with the first one, this is a redesigned wallpaper UI with support for third-party wallpapers. So with this, there are rumors that there will be new organizational categories of Earth, Moon and Flowers wallpaper. There will be third-party wallpaper integration and a CarPlay home screen support. We also got leaks about the new AR app. This is the new AR app icon. It will provide real-world AR experiences, Apple Store and Starbucks integration, and experiences start by scanning QR code. The next one is Car Key. So with this, Apple is working with BMW as partners. There are going to be two versions, a passive unlock via iPhone in pocket or place iPhone near the vehicle. The next one is Apple Maps. There are going to be more details about Apple stores, hardware repair availability, or check Genius Bar, or it will show if store offers trade-in credit. The new highlights are couple seating, child discount, and IMAX movie theaters. In Find My, there's going to be alert if someone doesn't arrive somewhere as expected. You will also get notifications if someone leaves somewhere early. Camera can detect hand gestures. New audio accommodations for improved AirPods tuning. There's a rumor about the new messaging app as well. You will have the ability to mention someone like you do in WhatsApp or other messaging applications. You can retract sent messages. You'll get group chat, typing indicator. With the new fitness app, it might be called Fit or Fitness. It will work on all platforms, iOS or tvOS. It will be used by Apple Watch to track progress, and there are activities like indoor running, cycling, stretching, core training, strength training, outdoor walking, dance and yoga. And there are rumors like there will be a redesigned home screen where you can put widgets next to app, no longer have side widget screen, and more things like more Memoji options. With CD, there can be updated design, new voices, deeper integration in iOS, less queries resulting in I found this on web, and few other updates in Safari or other apps. This is all I got to know so far. I'll be covering iOS 14 on this channel, so if you are interested, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this. Thanks for watching.